Hey friends, here we have a premium quality of 3D printer filament from 3idea technology, and it's a white PLA filament. So let's quickly unbox this filament. So the filament is nicely packed and will remove all the packaging. So here you can see the filament and there are some printing instructions over it. So now let's load this filament on our 3D printer. I'm using ANET 84 Pro 3D printer. I've loaded the filament and now we'll print some objects. So I've also printed a lithophane. So this is a rubber band gun. So I'm assembling it. So we'll now connect all the rubber bands and it will automatically shoot one by one all the rubber bands. Here we have the lithophane. So if you want to purchase this filament, you can visit 3idea.in.